Hi friends, how are you? This is Cherry. Welcome to my channel Grooming with Cherry. Today I have a very beautiful topic, that is failure is the key of success, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, failure is the key of success. It will come on each and every moment in your life. You have to accept failures. Yes. Most people, they don't reach up their dreams because of, not because of failures. Most people, they don't leave their dream because they give up. Ladies and gentlemen, those who succeed, they don't stop at one failure, they don't stop at 10 failures, they don't stop at hundreds failures, they don't stop at millions of failures. They say, it's my goal, I'll do it. Yes, it's my goal, I'll do it. Whatever the situation is, whatever it takes me to achieve it. A leader who says that, a champion that says that, I will learn a lesson from my failures, ladies and gentlemen. I will learn a lesson from my failures. Thank God, I accept the failures. I accept the emotion what you are given to me. I will learn faster. I will work hard. I will work more smarter. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a difference between work hard and smarter. There is a difference. I'll have a I will have a video on that. I'll have a special video. Let me tell you different what is work hard and smarter. You know, when you have to achieve a goal, you don't have to work smarter. When you want to become a leader, you don't have to work harder, you have to work smarter. Sorry, I just made a mistake. You have to work very smarter. Working hard is not necessary, ladies and gentlemen. Working smarter is necessary. You have to create value added to your customers. You have to give some value added. If you are in corporates, if you are in business, whatever the situation comes to you, you should always create some value added. That value added is called smart job. You have to program on your brain, you have to program on your mind what exactly the smart is, what exactly the value added to the customers, what exactly you can give value add to my customers. Even if you know the small the tea business, chai wala, pani puri, these are all unorganized sector. A guy from IIM left the job of Infosys in a senior position, left it and started a chai tea shop in the Pune. Basically, he was working in Infosys Pune and he started. He created something new. What value? Tea is sold by everybody, and that's a huge market. Huge market. How can he create value added? He made it tandoori tea. Tandoori tea. Something different. Tea is same but something different. Presentation is something different. And with cashless transaction, you can pay in wallets. Oh, what a difference! Believe me, guys, he is earning millions. He started his own branches in Delhi. Also, some guys have started at MBA Chai Wala. Yes, there are a lot of unorganized business which you can make. You can think. Educated person can think in a smarter way to give value to customer. If you are in coding, if you are in corporate, if you are in business, wherever you go, if you are giving value added to the customer, it's really you are making the business. You are giving a smart job to your society. When you are kids, ladies and gentlemen, we don't know failure what is. We don't know what is failure. Parents gave us a cycle bike. We want to know. Somebody has told us what is the process of running the cycle bike, and we started running and pedaling and pedaling and pedaling, and finally we met an accident and all those things. Finally, at the end of the day, we know how to pedal the cycle. We know how to run the bike. Make sure you are stronger, not stranger. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you are stronger, not a stranger. Failure is not the end of the story. It's a comeback journey. It's a comeback story. It's a comeback project. Ladies and gentlemen. So, failure is nothing but a lesson for the winners. Failure is a motivation for the winners. Failure is a fuel. Yes, failure is a fuel for the winners. Winner decide never again. I will be better tomorrow. Yes, I will be better tomorrow. Don't let failure to stop you. It will let it be growing you, developing you. Failure is not the end of the story. It's a starting journey. It's a comeback story. The one way you can call failure is as if you quit. If you quit, it's over. If you keep growing, it's only a hurdle and will overcome. Ladies and gentlemen, never quit. Never ever quit. At any situation, you should always thank God, Almighty, Krishna, anybody. Hey God, thanks for giving me failure. Thanks for teaching me what I can be tomorrow's winner, tomorrow's leader. You should always thank God for that. If any person doesn't have failure, he will not grow up. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, he will not grow up. We see the stars is blinking, shining, right? We see some houses, some apartments, some independent bungalows. There is a Audi inside his garage of the house, false ceiling, air conditions, beautiful interiors. We see that how the guy is happy, he's earning a lot. He is in US. Somebody is in US showing some beautiful pictures to you in the Insta, Facebook, Twitter, or the social media. Yes, I'm good. Oh, he must be very enjoying the US. There's lot of earning lot of putting lot of money in the bank. He has everything. That's we are saying from the sign every, but it's not true, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody has emotions. Everybody has emotions under that four walls. Everybody, but we never know. We think about ourselves. We do not think beyond that. Keeping an Audi in the garage doesn't mean that he is so happy. Emotions are everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, you can everywhere, everything, every time. I will say, are you a champion? Are you a champion, ladies and gentlemen? Are you want to be a champion? Yes, apply the lessons. The only way you can fail is never quit. Never quit. Come on, ladies and come on, friends. Become stronger. Keep going. Thomas Edison didn't fail, but he found 10,000 ways that doesn't work. Finally get into one work and he wins. Einstein says failure is a success and will proceed. Keep going, guys, keep going. You'll succeed. Failure is not the end of the story. Whatever the situation is, today you lose all your money, you are bankrupt, doesn't matter. Even a person like Anil Ambani, even if Mukesh Ambani also now running on debt, do you think that's not failure? Yes, but you have to overcome it. So never give up. Always think today is my new journey. Today I have built a new startup. I have to run in this entire journey. I'll fall down. Even if a ECG report shows like this, that means you are alive. If it's so straight, you are gone. So failure is nothing. Failure is not the end of the cycle. You have to start it. as your comeback story. Look different to your goals. Put value added to your customers, to value added to your clients, value added to your organizations. You have to make value added. If you are in technology, you have to learn new technologies. You have to learn new technologies to grow up, to make you in today's generation. Otherwise, you are back. Don't think like this that, oh, I got a job, I'll get my salary, and I'm happy. Your life will be over. You have to think different. You have to grow up. You have to build new technology. You have to build new things, new value added to your customers, value added to your clients. Then when you get an opportunity, you can give up to that. You can make something different. You can sustain in the new generations. That's the different. You have to make your mindset goals. Then start hugging, struggling, and everything. One day will get your way, and you'll be champion. Thank you.